How to download CapCut on PC. Easy and fast. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to download CapCut on PC. So let's get started. On your PC or laptop, what you can do is you can go to CapCut.com on your Google and it will take you to the official website of CapCut. Here you will be able to find, you can see we can download it on our Google Play or App Store, but we can also download it for Windows. So if you go to CapCut.com, it says you can see open CapCut in your browser or download it for Windows. So I'm going to click right here and it will take me to the link, and you can see this is our link to download. Click on start download and CapCut will be downloaded. If you want to use CapCut on your PC within your browser, so just click right here and it will take you to the CapCut editor where you will be able to edit your videos just like you do it on your phone. So you can see right here, we can select a blank canvas or select our format. Once you do, then it will open up the editor for you. You can see this is how we edit videos on our PC or laptop, so it's actually really easy to use. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.